My BoxyCharm got here for the month of March, and I wanted to share with you all what I got. So let's take a look. First up, from Glow Recipe, this banana souffle moisture cream smells a little bit like banana. It definitely does hydrate the skin and it feels really nice, and I like it. Next up, from Cab Cosmetics, this is a lip oil and it smells so good and it feels really nice on the lips. It smells like a pina colada. It smells really, really nice. So next up, from the Beauty Crop, this is Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. I definitely love avocado, so I can't wait to try these. Next up, from Frank Body, this is a glow mask. This actually smells really good. The last item in the box is an eyeshadow palette from Lime Crime. Here is how the eyeshadow palette looks. I love that it comes with a mirror. It's really nice, definitely travel friendly. I do love the colors. Here is everything I received for the month of March. I definitely love it all. Let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.